With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In this video, we have a question that the proton translocation is observed through a membrane complex that is present on this membrane complex which is present on a thylakoid membranes, namely. So here the question is saying that the proton translocation takes place and that proton translocation is observed through a membrane, and that is the membrane of a complex. And this complex where the proton translocation is observing, this complex is present on a thylakoid membrane. So which is that complex? Options are PS2 complex, PS1, then cytochrome B6F complex, and then CF0, CF1 complex. Okay, or you can say CF0, CF1 complex. Now here basically proton translocation, for that you have to understand main thing that there is a cytochrome. The cytochrome B6F is a complex, and this cytochrome B6F complex basically it is a complex of complex which have a chloroplast function. And other than that, these chloroplast functions, there is other function is there, and that functioning, this function is in electron not only in electron transport. Chloroplast function is of electron transport. That is the function of in a chloroplast. But other than that, proton translocation, in proton translocation, here also there is a function of this complex that is named as cytochrome BF complex. Okay, B6F complex. So basically this cytochrome B6F complex have not only in functioning in a chloroplast, but also not only in a electron transport, but also in a proton translocation. They have the function. And in this proton translocation, basically there is active site of oxygen. Okay, here we will write there is an active site of oxygen. Okay, and this active site of oxygen involving enzyme that are arranged. Okay, and that are arranged in such a way so that the protons formed during the water oxidation are released into the thylakoid lumen, which is mentioned here, the thylakoid membrane. Understand? So the oxygen here and the oxygen involving, obviously oxygen involving enzyme is here, correct? Enzyme. So here their arrangement is such a that proton formed during, so here there will be some water oxidation takes place. Okay, and at that time of water oxidation, at that time some protons get released. Okay, so here we will write protons are going to released, and these released proton during this water oxidation, they will release into thylakoid lumen. So their release is in the thylakoid lumen. So in the thylakoid lumen, this proton will get released. Understand? So this is the process, and this process obviously performs the function by the cytochrome B6F complex 2. Understand? So this function here in the option number 3, that is a cytochrome B6F complex, in the third option it is represented. That's why our answer will be option number here 3. Okay, not the other complexes here mentioned, only the cytochrome B6F is a complex which will help in the proton translocation, which is mentioned in the question, and which is on thylakoid membrane. As we told, there will be active site of oxygen involving enzyme, and that will lead to some water oxidation, and at that time of water oxidation some proton will get released, and that proton will be released on a, or we can say in a thylakoid lumen. So that's my answer is only and only third option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.